What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a 2014 Dodge Challenger. So the customer came and they state that the car takes too long to start. He says it cranks and everything, but it takes a lot of time to really start up. So let's see and start it to see if it's gonna do the same problem. Alright, let's see. And that's the problem that they have. It's a long cranking, and apparently I already found the problem with this car. It's gonna be apparently the main fuel pump, and as you can see right here, I already removed the seats and I have the fuel pump. We actually changed and the other one because that one was broken. It was leaking a lot of fuel on the side because they break a lot on the top. It's because of the design of this. And I already checked the fuel pressure. Actually, let me just explain something about this. On this side you have the connection, the electrical. So this is the main fuel pump. That fuel pump over there, it's called transfer pump. So that one only transfers the fuel to the rail, but this one is the one that pressurizes the fuel. So I'm going to unplug this one, and I'm going to check the fuel pressure over there first. I have my setup here. Let me just go to the other side. So here I'm going to adapt the connector. I have this nipple right here that connects to the fuel tester, which is this one. I'm going to remove this line and I'm gonna plug this one directly to the transfer pump, and then I'm gonna start it and we're gonna see how much pressure we are having when we start the car. So this thing must be pressurized all the time, and we must have, I went to the specifications, we must have at least 50 psi in the fuel rail in order to make the car start really quick. All right, so let me just take out that and I'll put the adapter and show you the pressure. Okay, so as you can see, I already have the adapter plugged in to the tester over there, and I'm going to go to the other side and then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start it and let's see how much pressure we have. All right, so we have the tester here and let's go check. You can do this test, you don't need a scanner, just a tester like this. And I'm going to open the switch, and in order to prime the fuel pump you have to start the car. So switch is open, and as you can see the pressure drops really fast. As you notice, every time you open the switch the fuel pump primes, and we get 30 psi. So that's not enough. We should have 50 psi. And also we should have the pressure all the time in the reel pressurized. So every time when you open the switch and start it, then it's gonna start right up really fast. Let me just start it really quick and I'll show you what it does. And the max pressure we get is just 30. So I'm going to replace the pump and I'll show you the final pressure, what it's supposed to be. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, so this is the moment of truth. The new pump is installed. Let me just remove this. As you can see, it's pretty new. I'll just remove everything because I'm gonna check if it's leaking or not, just to make sure. So that's new, and the other one is new, and the hose is for a bypass right here. I have like a thing right there that I connected the cable for, the line for this, and also it goes directly to the engine as well, so I can check the pressure. And let's see, once you open the switch you should have a stable pressure every time you open it. So I'm just gonna open the switch and let's see what happens. Switch open. Just gonna wait for the pressure to build up, and it's building up slowly, and this is what we want. We don't want the pressure to be dropping. right? And it should start right up. There we go. Pressure stable and not dropping. So I'm gonna turn off the switch now, and we should see the pressure stay for some time. Alright, so this is the whole problem with this car. It was the fuel pump, and I would recommend to change both fuel pumps on this car because the one over there breaks and it has a recall on it. But just get both pumps and clean the fuel tank and you'll be ready to go, and that problem starting bad in the morning or hard start will be gone. And also check the spark plugs as well. Alright guys, so this will be the end of the video. I hope you liked the information. Hope you can fix your car with this problem that I show you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment down below, dislike, and turn on the notifications on so you can be updated with the latest videos that I upload every week. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. JB Fix out.